Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 600 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through a recovery mode. So, before I get started, I want to quickly mention a couple of things. So, number one, you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. I don't think I have one set. Let me check. Yep, I don't have one, but the process doesn't change at all. So this will allow you to get rid of it, but I do want to warn you, if you have a screen lock that you don't know and you are also signed into a Google account, when performing this kind of reset, what will happen is your device will become FRP locked, and this means that when you're going to the setup process after the reset, you will be forced by the device to connect to Wi-Fi and then verify either your screen lock or your Google account. And if you can't verify one of those two, you won't be able to finish up the setup, and therefore you will be stuck in it. Now, another thing that I do want to mention is obviously all of your data will be deleted by this process. So if you have anything on your phone that you'd like to maintain, do make a backup copy of it before you go and, well, reset it. I do also want to add that if you don't know your screen lock and you can't unlock your device, there's a chance you won't be able to back up your device. As to back it up, you would need to have access to it. Now, if you don't know if your device is backed up or not and you can't access it, what you could do also is just go to your web browser on your computer, for instance, type in and search Google Drive, sign into it with the same account that is used on this device. And in there, you should have different categories like photos and stuff, and you can see what's visible in there. If you have a backup enabled in here, by, for instance, mistake, maybe agreed to it. So if we go into System and Update and Backup Restore, and then we look at the, or is it this one? No, it's not this one, so... Oh, there we go. So it's in the right here, Google Accounts. If you click on it, in here you can see that on this device, both photos and videos, along with the other device data, is being backed up to the Google Cloud. So if I were to sign in with this account on my computer, whatever it's visible in the gallery, that's everything that would be backed up on the other device as well. So this is basically one thing that I can do if you really want to know. Now, to get started with the reset, all we need to do, no matter if you have that screen lock or not, is hold power button and the volume up, or just press it, and then select power off. Your device will turn off, and once it does, hold power button and volume up again. You want to let go of the power button once you see the Honor logo on the screen. And there we go. And this will then take us to the recovery mode. In here, select clear data and then factory reset. As a confirmation, regardless if you have some kind of screen lock or not, all you need to do is type in yes. Once you type it in, select factory reset. And this only goes through a very quick reset right here. I don't think it goes to 100%, it's like 20 or something like that, and becomes instantly finished, at least in the recovery mode section. Oh, there we go, it got to 17. So now we can select back and restart. This will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background, which will take the device a little bit of time to finish it, about 1 to 2 minutes. And when it is finished resetting it, it will present us with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.